Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we got a new project on the bench. We'll bring in the kit and the box in a sec. We'll get a little bit of self-promotion out of the way. We're on my website, Off the Sprue. We've added a pretty comprehensive line up of model car garage parts and ProTech. And you know ProTech by their braided line and fittings. They're top notch. They're a leader in braided hose and line. Anyway, new project on the bench. We're going to tackle a Revel kit. It's what is this thing? It's a 69 Chevelle SS 396. It's probably not going to stay a 396, but we'll get to that in a second. Another Revel kit, and out of the box, it looks pretty good. You usually get pretty good first impressions when you open a kit and start fumbling through all the pieces and the trees and having a look at the sprues. And this one's a level 5 kit. I think I'm going to recommend this kit from what I even see opening in the box. It's got separate door panels, so you can get down and dirty and do some nice detailing on seats and door panels and dash. Chassis looks pretty comprehensive too. It's quite detailed. Motor, we're not going to run the original motor that came in this kit. I've been tossing it around, and I think we're going to run a LS3 or an LSX engine in this. I haven't quite made up my mind. I've got my 3D printer running in the background to print an engine for this, so I've got a variety of different intake manifolds and carburetors and fuel injection setups that I'm going to run on a test print, and we'll kind of make a decision after we get those printed and see what kind of room we've got in this engine bay when I start mocking things up, and whether I got room for headers or whether we got to use the stock manifolds off the 396, or whether I got to dive into my stash of spare parts that I've collected over freaking 40-50 years. Anyway, we've got some wheels we're going to change up, because you know me, I can't leave anything alone. And first thing we've got to change is wheels and dress a motor up. So wheels, we've 3D printed some wheels. And let's get you up here in a sec. Hold on, we're going up. You know the drill. And we're coming down. Right about there. That'll do. Oh, brake rotors MIA. I'm still missing one. Oh, there you are. Anyway, we got some tires for the rears and the fronts, and they're roughly 23s. I've had to narrow the design of them a little bit to stuff under the wheel well, because you know me, I like them low. And we've got our wheels with our rings. They're kind of a two-piece wheel. Those are going to sit in there kind of about like that. And which is the front, which is the back? That's the back. Haven't figured out a color combination for wheels. It's going to be probably the outer ring's probably going to be a chrome, the rim. And we'll probably play around maybe with a two-tone inner hub section, a wheel section. Got some 3D printed rotors and calipers printed for it too. That's basically going to be the rears, or roughly about 23 inches in scale for the rear. The fronts, I kind of went a little larger than a 19-inch. And of course had to go narrower for the fronts. And these are the fronts. And which is the outside? That's the outside. And the rim slides in there. It's supposed to slide in there. Come on, you can do it. And a girl. And the insert. You guys know when you're printing 3D stuff that one of the downfalls or the drawbacks of having 3D printed stuff, everything's a whole lot more brittle, and you got to be a little bit more delicate handling things, and they don't take the manhandling heavy-handedness that plastic or styrene will take. So I think that those will look half decent on there. Kind of a radial spoke. They've got some rivet details around the outer edge, same as the rears. And we're kind of going to go, we'll say 23s and 19s on the front. That's the plan. And I've kind of got the car marked up. One sec. We're kind of going through dry fit and planning. Hang on, let me get my stuff out of the way and not mix stuff up. That's going to go with that. That's going to go over there. And that's that. Yes. Car looks fantastic. One of my favorite years of the Chevelles. And we've kind of got things marked up. I've got suspension in place, tacked in. Interior kind of marked up just so I can get dashboard and rear seat in there and door panels so I can see what's going on. Tape's just taped on there. I can't take that off right now. But anyway, we got to work out suspension front and rear to get this baby down low. And it kind of looks like a doable thing from what I see. We'll do a little higgy-jiggery pokery on front and rear. Get this dropped down where I like it. Anyway, yeah, looks like a good kit, boys and girls. So that's kind of it. Quick one. And we'll keep you posted as usual on how this build progress is going. And I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and your support on Off the Sprue and your sales and enjoying my stuff. Anyway, guys, we'll talk soon. And see ya. Bye.